Hello all my crafty friends. Thank you for joining me today over at I Am Mama 24. This is Rebecca coming at you with the completion of my diamond painting that was sent to me by Victoriasmoon. I'm going to have the links to all the videos I've done for the process of this large canvas diamond painting. My first video was an unboxing, and my second one was a tips and tricks while I worked on the diamond painting with you a little bit. And I was showing you my setup and how I had all of my diamonds placed out so that I could access them easily and things like that. This video is simply a time lapse of completing the last section on my diamond painting. So as you enjoy the finishing of this diamond painting, I'm just going to tell you a little bit of my experience from start to finish. I am extremely pleased by the quality of the canvas itself, the drills that I was working with. There was 34 different bags of colors that I was working with to complete this beach scene. The tweezers I was so incredibly happy with, and I will insert a portion here too of me working with the tweezers. Not only did they help me to make my square drills straight when I hadn't placed them on correctly with the little sticky picker-upper tool that they also supply, but I also was using it as a placer for my little drills, and it was no problem picking up the drills from my little container with the tweezer itself. And I actually found that I was able to place the drills more accurately into the little squares using the tweezers. The only time that it wasn't practical to use the tweezer to place my drills was when there was another drill beside it. So you'll see when I am using the tweezers to place my drills down, I'm doing it when I'm doing the checkerboard pattern. I discovered this while I was going through YouTube and seeing how other diamond painters were completing their diamond paintings. When you get a straightaway of a certain color, some people like to incorporate a checkerboard pattern as a strangely satisfying and fun activity to do while you're diamond painting. Some people say it feels like you're getting a larger section of the canvas done this way. So all it means is you are putting your drills down in a checkerboard fashion. So you skip every other square, and then you go back in and fill in all of the spaces. And that's the second portion, is when it can feel like it's going quite quickly, and I can understand how people would think that. So the first part is when I would use my tweezers. The second part is when I was using my sticky tool. So as for my supplies that are left after completing my diamond painting, I was not in any fear of not having drills of any color of all 34 left while I was done. I have leftovers of every color. As well, I have a large piece of the adhesive left over for any future diamond paintings that I might tackle. All in all, this diamond painting probably took me, I'm going to say 30 hours to complete. If you were sitting down and doing it from start to finish, I would say it was probably 30 hours. But keep in mind that this was an extremely large canvas, and especially for my first diamond painting, I would recommend not to get such a large one. So I hope that you will take the time to go check out my two previous videos, my unboxing and then my tips and tricks. And I thank you so much for watching. The coupon code for 10% off your purchase at victoriasmoon.uk will be in the description box of this video, as well as those videos that I mentioned. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will be back with you in another crafting video soon. Bye-bye, everyone.